Do you drive truck for a living and you also would like an additional income stream? Well, in this series, I'm going over how I do that. My name is Horace, also known as La Machine. I've appeared on other trucker platforms to talk about things, but what I want to focus on now is the truck driver that wants to make some extra money. I've been a truck driver since 1998. I've had additional income through business since 2002, and I'm going to show you and talk to you exactly about how I do this. This is actually part of a series, so make sure you, if you didn't catch the first video, make sure you check that out first because it all kind of ties in. It's going to be for your benefit. Real quick, I don't want to forget to remind you to like, share, and subscribe. It's so important because when you subscribe, you're going to get your notification every Sunday when I go live with the Working Class Hustlers. There are 6 of us that come together as a mastermind every week, and you get to sit in, you get to actually participate, be recognized, ask questions. That's why we're coming together, to be able to help you. And it's literally 5 of us plus my producer Jim. And guess what? Jim is a former trucker of over 35 years himself. So we're really putting it together for you. So again, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, make sure you share this with another trucker that you know wants more out of life. He's probably just like you, and he's looking to do more, be more, become more, and he's ready to take on the challenge, and he's ready to reap the rewards for all of that fine labor. So I'll see you guys then. Thanks. But getting right into it, how I make my money in addition to being a full-time local, I'm not over the road, local truck driver, is I sell on e-commerce platforms. Those are in order. Amazon, that's my big one right there. And then a distant second is Walmart, and then also eBay. So we're going to focus on Amazon. Why? Because that is the biggest one. And again, I'm very transparent. I like to show my numbers. Stick with me. We're going to get to that. But I want you to understand exactly how I do this. So without getting too deep, if you stick with me, if you subscribe to the channel, number one, you're going to be able to access over 500 videos that are right here on the channel that teach it. Now, you'll notice I'm focusing specifically on truck drivers these days because I've been driving truck for the better part of 30 years. That is who I am. That is what I do. And I really want to connect with my trucker brethren. I think we definitely have something in common. And I know who you are and how you think because I am you. And I know that you're ready. I know as a trucker, you have everything it takes. And I'm just happy to be able to help some of my brothers with this and sisters. So that's what it's all about. But the thing about it is this: I'm not going to spend that much time, like I said in the first video, I'm not trying to sell you on the idea. Number one, you don't need to be sold on that. This is something, and I'm going to continue saying this, it's either in you to want to do more, to want to be more, to want to become more, to want to work for more, and to want to have all that brings when you put in the effort. That has to be something that's in you. If it's not, like I said, stick around anyway, because you still want to be informed and you want to be aware in case maybe now isn't the right time, but later it will be, for reasons we don't know yet. But, you're driving truck. Do you ever see any with the Amazon logo on it? I mean, I don't have to convince you that how big Amazon is. I could do what a lot of content creators do and show you the numbers and, try to build you up. I don't have to do that. You're out there with Amazon drivers. You see the freight moving and you probably use Amazon yourself. That is all the proof you need to know. If I were to tell you that Amazon is probably the biggest online shopping platform in the US, you could believe it, right? And there's different ways to do it. We'll get into all that, but that's not the purpose of this video. This is more of an overview. The point is this. This is who I am, and this is what I do. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Now, to break it down quick and easy, I sell on Amazon using both the arbitrage business model and the wholesale model. Now, in case you don't know, arbitrage is where you go into a store and you buy something like this. You can buy peanut butter on Amazon, right? So you go out and you buy this Skippy natural peanut butter right off the shelf because, and I'm just throwing numbers out here. This isn't real, but I'm just throwing numbers. You saw that you could get this size jar for $2, but you saw that you can get $12 a jar on Amazon. Now, I'm throwing numbers out there, but I'm here to tell you, those are the types of numbers that you're going to find when you do arbitrage. So let me stop you right now, because the first thing you're going to say is, I ain't paying no $12 for a jar of peanut butter. I know you're not. I know you're not. And that's the reason why Amazon wouldn't make it if you was the one doing all the buying. Let me tell you something. Get out your feelings, quit thinking, and start doing the research, which we're going to get into. But the research will show you, okay, people will pay $12 for a box of cereal, $12 for a bag of potato chips, $12, $14 for a jar of peanut butter. You can't try and figure out. It is not your job to figure out why the market will bear what it will bear. It is your job to figure out what they will bear, and can you make money in the middle? That's what arbitrage is. You buying the product here, selling it there, and you taking the profit that's in the middle. That is arbitrage. It works very well, and I've been doing it since 2017. Now, the other way that I sell on Amazon is what we call wholesale. Now, as a trucker, you already know what wholesale is. You're going to warehouses, you're picking up basically wholesale stuff. You're delivering it to retail stores. The retailer bought it at wholesale, bought it low, sell high. It's not rocket science, guys. I will tell you this. The margins, see, there's pros and cons to both. The margins tend to be slim, much slimmer in wholesale. But in wholesale, it's less work. It's more repetitive. You know what I'm saying? We call it replens or replenishables, where you can just keep reordering more and more, and you can get it in bulk. Instead of looking crazy like me in the grocery store aisle with a cart full of stuff, you know what I mean? You can, deal with vendors, you can deal with wholesalers. You can just go right to the warehouse in your van or your car. I've done them both. Some vendors will actually come to you. It depends on the situation. But on the other hand, arbitrage, you get bigger margins. The problem with arbitrage is often whatever you found today, you may not be able to find tomorrow. A lot of times it's stock issues with it. They run out. When are they going to re-up? You don't know. And I do the same things pretty much on Walmart and eBay, but nowhere near what Amazon is doing. Amazon is still the king right now. You may see that change because there are a lot of sellers that are leaving the Amazon platform and going over to Walmart, but for me, Amazon is still the big kahuna. So now stick with me. All right. The next video, we're going to actually look over my numbers and we're going to kind of see how things are looking today. And then I'm going to give you access to my tax returns so that you can actually see what kind of take home I actually get. It's so important, guys, so important to work with somebody that is truly, truly transparent, okay? You got a lot of people that's going to say, a lot of these content creators, they ain't showing you their tax returns. They ain't showing you no real numbers, and they'll try to give you this crap about, ooh, but that's not kosher. Okay, well, then it's not kosher for you to be trying to sell me your course then, okay? It's not kosher for me to be paying attention. See, when I ask you to watch my video, I'm asking you to pay with the most priceless thing you could ever give me, which is your time. And in return, I need to be fully transparent. I don't get to say, oh, that's not kosher. Well, then it's not kosher for you to be paying me with your most valuable asset if I won't even be fully transparent. So click on the next video. Let's get into the numbers, because now we're going to get to where the money at. I'll see you there.